what we want to do is have our plate looking a little bit more like this, all right? Hi, I'm Sam with Abacus, and today we're going to be talking about Thanksgiving. So during Thanksgiving, we eat all these great meals here. And what we definitely want to avoid is clogging up your drain. Now, the thing about the disposal is I can pour this entire plate down there and it'll grind it on up. The thing is, once it gets past the disposal, it has to go into these little pipes right here and try to get out of here. So what we want to do is have our plate looking a little bit more like this, all right? Once we do that, we can come over here, we can turn on the water, we can run the disposal. After you put your little food down there and it all goes down, turn off the disposal, let the water run for a little bit to help push it all out. And then after that, you should be good to go.